Prosecutors have decided not to charge an Ocala man who shot and killed a man who was trying to get into his apartment.
The man's family says he lived next door and mistook the apartment for his. West 2's David Jones got the memo explaining why prosecutors won't pursue charges.
28-year-old Christian Olensky Contreras Leyva was shot and killed in November. Police responded to the area in Ocala when they said they got a call from a neighbor telling them Leyva had been trying to break into his home. In a memo obtained by West 2, the state attorney's office lays out what investigators say happened. The memo states the man who fired, who West 2 is not naming because he's not been charged, told them prior burglaries nearby, plus a prior encounter with a man outside of his home, had led him to purchase the gun he would use to kill Leyva. He said when his wife alerted him someone was trying to get inside the back door, he left out the front and went around the back, using his flashlight to light up Leyva at the back door. He told investigators he yelled at Leyva, who turned around, and he said he thought Leyva had something in his hand that he pointed at him. He told them he fired once, killing Leyva. Leyva's family tells West 2 Leyva was coming home from work, that he lived in an apartment next door to the building where he was killed. The memo acknowledges Leyva was drunk at the time of his death. Prosecutors say stand your ground dictates a person has the right to shoot to kill if they reasonably believe it's necessary to prevent death or harm to themselves or another. Prosecutors say the evidence would not allow them to disprove the presumption the man had a fear of death or harm, or to disprove the presumption Leyva was trying to enter the home with the intent of committing an unlawful act involving force or violence. Covering Marion County in Ocala, David Jones, West 2 News.
We have reached back out to Leyva's family to get their reaction. The state attorney's office declined to go on camera for an interview.